that last zone, he owns it. He's getting it so close to the grass without doing a true job. Yep, exactly. Just high and finally for Zack. He is down there on the ground as well. 1 and 2. Spicy, go ahead down there, bro. Go and rap out with the boys. Is that Jack's there, Jimmy? Jack's there, Jimmy going down there as we take a look at the replay. And yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Steps outside of his vehicle. Taylor Laser.
Hey, Jared.
Calvin.
I'm coming down here, Jared, to the track. I'm going to go get a quick interview from Taylor Ray. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it from our event winner, Taylor Ray, one more time. Taylor, I have some questions for you, man. You really held your own. You had a very consistent line. But tell me about what you thought and how you did on that very last run.
I just went for it. I knew he had a pretty big gap, but I was like, I'm going to send it anyway.
And you did. Great, sir. You are the proud winner of a $1,500 check from the Freedom Factor. And we got in our second place winner, granted, the $500. Zack Calvin, you did an amazing job. Great run. I'm sure you're not disappointed, but did you have a fun time at the Freedom Factory or what?
Yeah, absolutely. What a blast. I've been driving with Taylor for like 10 years. We would literally skip school to go drifting, and for it to come full circle now, I'm absolutely pumped. He's shredding. That little Miata is fast, but this little stock C5 Corvette was ripping, dude. What a blast.
Dude, that's awesome. Give it up for our 2 finals. 10 years they've been driving together. Best friends, the best in the business. Here's the man, the myth, the legend, the unhappy Cleveland Parley. You did the best you could, man. I thought you just did a great job.
Yeah, you know, went out round 1, but I'm just proud to see these boys winning. You know, it was our first ever drift competition here at the Freedom Factory. We had our struggles, and yeah, Taylor says it went great, but some of the other drivers, you know, we struggled, but we got it done. And shout out to these fans. Hey, can I get? Oh yeah. Hold on. All right, before we end this off, for the video, I need a hell yeah brother on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hell yeah brother. Beautiful. Woo! All right, guys, shout out to all the fans of the Freedom Factory, and thank you to all of you watching at home. Freaking A, Summit Racing, Danger Ranger 9000, going down tomorrow. We got about 35 of the Rangers out back, more coming, and we're just pumped to put on a good show for you guys tomorrow. Also, we have spectator drags, we got C8s, GTRs, Porsches. Spectator drags will be amazing. I think a lot of these guys are coming back tomorrow. We're gonna end it off there. Thanks for watching the video for today. We'll freaking see you later.